Hi everyone, today we'll make some figures with a tangram. So let's see what a tangram is. Tangram is a bunch of geometrical shapes joined together to make a shape like this. And the pieces of tangram are, we have two big triangles here. So these are two big triangles. We also have two small triangles. So these are the small triangles. We have one square. And this is a medium triangle. It's bigger than this but smaller than this. So the medium triangle, and this is a parallelogram. And when we join all of them together, we can make a shape like this. And this is not it. By rearranging the different pieces of the tangram, we can make many shapes. So let's look at a few of them. So first, we'll try to build a trapezium out of the pieces of tangram. So a trapezium looks like this. Now an idea can be, for these two sides, we can place our big triangles here. So we have both the big triangles taking this space. Now in this rectangle that is formed, how to make this so that all of the pieces of tangram is used up? So what we can do is, we can place a square here, and this remaining space we can fill it with a small triangle. And now we have a cavity here. This cavity looks like the role of a medium triangle, right? A small triangle would not fit here, but a medium triangle would fit very well. So let's put the medium triangle here. And now in that remaining space, this looks like the role of a parallelogram. So we have a parallelogram put here. And now the only thing left to put is a triangle. So this is where our small triangle goes. And now we have our trapezium with us by using all the pieces of tangram. Let's see what other shapes we can make by using the pieces of tangram. Now let's try making a rectangle. So a rectangle looks like this. Again, for the end sides, we can use the two big triangles. But now we'll frame it like this, so that the cavity that is remained is again a big triangle. Now you can see here, this itself is a big triangle, so we can place the entire triangle in the middle to fit this rectangle. So we have the base as the small triangle here, then the square here, then we can take the parallelogram and we can place it here, and this remaining cavity can be used up by the small triangle. So now this place is where the medium triangle comes. And now the piece of tangram can be used to make a rectangle. And not just geometrical shapes. We can also use the many pieces of tangram together to form animals. So let's see an example of a cat. Now for a cat, for legs, again we can use the two big triangles. So we have two big triangles placed like this. And these are the legs of cat. For the body, this cavity can be used by the middle triangle. So this becomes the body of the cat, and these are the legs. Now for the tail of the cat, I can see that the parallelogram would work really well. And the head of a cat is more triangular or more diamond shaped. So we can use this square as a diamond and these two triangles as the ears of the cat. So we get ourselves even a cat from the pieces of the tangram. So that was few figures that we could make out of the pieces of tangram. However, a fun activity would be if you take all the pieces of tangram and make some figures yourself. So that was all about this video. Thank you.